Here I am at my Greyhawk listing in Avion, unit 1049. This place is great. I'm going to show you a little bit about it so that maybe you think it's great too. We're listed at $315 currently, and we are the least expensive in the Avion units. It's all on one level. Couldn't be nicer. Let's see, here we go. All right, welcome to your new living room. So here we are, nice big living room, dining room's on the end. Nice fireplace. This client has a large TV here, so there's a lot more space here than maybe it seems. Fireplace is a nice focal point. A couple of places for some art. The upgrades, one of the upgrades that this client has done is they have added all this specialty lighting for their artwork. It's all very expensive, and so you could highlight whatever you wanted and bring those lights to whatever artwork you had. Now here is, on the left when you walk in,